Hi guys, Yeting Designs here this side. Thanks for the continuous support you've been giving me since last month's. I am here to tell you how to make this simple header design, and then in next part, we will see how to color correct it within Photoshop. Also, if this video gets to 100 likes, I will release a asset pack of this header. So now, let's start. So now take a canvas of 3000 by 1000 pixels. Then fill it with blue color. Then bring up the grid by pressing Ctrl+R. Now take the pen tool and make point as shown. Then drag the second point and make the shape like that and make selection out. After that, use the gradients as shown. Then on any tool, use your down arrow key to make the selection go down. Adjust according to your need and what you find the best. After using the blue gradient, delete the below part. Now continue doing this for the second gradient as well.
It's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this play date with you.
Now duplicate this shape and copy it, then transform it like mine. For making the BG, make a new layer. Drag it below the blue layer and fill it with the same blue, then make selection of the shape we made earlier and delete it for the blue BG. So now make selection of the BG, go to modify and contract. Then type in 35%, make a new layer and fill it with gradient. Now again contact. By 20% and delete the selected area. Fill it with black color. Then again contract by 20% and this time fill it with blue color now up. Last contracted by 35% again and use the gradient as show while deselecting the other triangle. Then make the select as shown on the new layer. Make a clipping mask of it, and use the gradient in other direction. Now finally just duplicate the merged layer and flip horizontally and vertically and place it. Now for the graininess add noise, for that go bit of lighter noise and add noise. Select 9% and OK.
You know I give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys,
our header BG is done now. In the next part I will show you how to do the CC and place the logo with the layer style. Thank you. Do drop a like if